No one say anything funny. Go!
There's just a roll called the Yo Sexy roll.
I mean, it's just
might
for the
have
people
to
that are having a
get
hard
it.
day.
Specifically for you.
The thing is, there's
the
a
artsy
comma in the title. It's the Yo Sexy roll.
Yeah, and you need the pause there.
Yeah.
Swivel.
I feel like you have to pose when you do that.
You can't not.
Why did you bring your iMac to the Airbnb?
That is a sentence you only hear once in your life because this is the only thing I edit on, and I was like, I'm not gonna.
You brought your whole computer?
Yeah.
We should just go to his house.
Use a real one.
We should just go into his
You know, it wasn't easy getting this in the car either.
Do you
or
not still
carrying
have
it.
like the box that it came in?
Yeah, but like I was late, so I didn't have time to.
Things fall apart.
Yeah, I was like, I gotta go.
Yeah.
I shoved it in. I put the seatbelt on it.
Just throwing your iMac.
Initially, this
You
was
left her in a
gonna.
hot car too. She's gonna breathe.
She hasn't eaten.
She looks so
Ever.
She's kind of like leaning forward a little bit.
She's so thin. I'm from the South.
Are you
Yeah.
from where?
There's some
Southern California.
Florida. My mom's from Georgia.
Did you ask your computer what she wanted?
She doesn't care. She'll bite anything.
Nice.
Get it?
She's gonna eat an air
BYTE.
Oh, I thought it was because there's a bite out of the
That
apple.
went way. That went whoop over.
Yeah.
I was like, no.
Everyone was like, we don't like
I
it.
thought it was because there was a bite out of the apple.
We all wear a lot of color. I like that.
Ah.
No, this is like I
Oh.
can't wear.
No.
Who's?
color.
Oh my
We're
god!
all matching, guys.
I don't know what that
I'm
is,
so
but it
glad
became a
everyone
thing
got the
for
memo.
me.
So why do photographers wear all black and gray?
All my color is wasted on my
I-
photos.
Yeah, I was about to say we're all like
Literally
colorful
same.
photographers.
Yeah.
I almost wore a pink shirt here, and then I was like, who am I kidding? And then I
Yeah.
wore black.
Yeah.
You're not kidding anyone.
No.
Yeah. We're
Yeah, I love
happy.
black shirt.
We're happy with what you chose.
I am too.
Yeah.
I feel good.
Right when you walked in, I was like, it's a great color choice.
Yeah. I actually was looking
Oh,
at your outfit.
yeah.
I was like, yep.
That's
Yep.
the photographer.
Yep.
There it
Seems
is.
right.
I was like, we can all go somewhere together, and everyone will be like, okay, yeah.
Okay.
Did you ever try to wear blue jeans and then you're like, nah?
Yes, I felt like a cowgirl.
Yeah, I did it yesterday. It was weird. It was
Yeah.
a weird time. I had to change.
I stared at myself
Yeah.
for 3 hours in the mirror and I didn't know if I should leave the house or not.
Did you?
What happened at hour 4?
Lisa's like, did you?
Did you leave the house?
No, so I've gotten jalapeno in my eye before.
How?
And it, because I was
How?
cutting jalapenos.
How?
And then
Okay,
I guess
okay.
I
And
was
got
just
kinda
like,
I was just
bored
hoping
and
there was, like, a
decided-
big- I was
No, I just like ended up like, it wasn't even my fingers. I like rubbed it on my wrist and it hurt to have them open and it hurt more to have them closed. Like
So what were your options?
pain,
Die.
just
Like
like
ice cube, like all the time, all the
To
time.
die.
sadness, like basically.
Yep.
You didn't know.
Did you put
You
like
just-
milk in your eye?
You had to like flush it out,
Yeah.
yeah.
With milk? No. Really?
Yeah,
I've heard
that's what. No, that's what you
skunk
use for
venom,
first.
Yeah, it's the only thing that gets rid of it.
You know?
Mhm.
Like put skunk juice in your eye, that'd probably like cancel it out.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone has a neighborhood.
I love this
Yeah.
thing.
Don't do that. I only need locally sourced skunk juice, so it's like organic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not
No, but-
GMO.
I know a guy.
I want that free range
Okay,
skunk
yeah.
juice.
I haven't
Fluffy
found
tail.
a skunk dealer
Yeah.
recently.
I want a blue-eyed skunk tail juice.
Why does it have to be blue eyes? You're just
Very
being biased because you have
specific.
blue eyes. Show them our texts from earlier.
Okay, so we
We're-
just met,
I know.
and
I just met her.
yeah, he sent
We all just met
me
each other.
Yeah.
his name, and I said, "Hey, where are you at?" But we were sitting next to each other. I said, "Send me your location." He sent his location, and then we sent each other some gifts about us eating in a couple hours, and then what we'd look like if we didn't eat in a couple hours, and then we played mini golf, and here we are.
Nice.
That's pretty.
Wow, in the
It's been
matter
a full
of
day.
1 hour.
Yeah, isn't that like a pretty
We
good
moved
like?
fast.
Yeah,
in
we
this
just
room.
went straight to mini golf.
We're all
Day to
gonna hate
day.
each other in 2 hours.
There we go.
Yeah, we're gonna make sure to film it too.
The relationships.
Get the
all
fuck
the-
off!
Everyone will each be in a different portion of the
We
house.
can do a why we
pouting.
broke up
Like
YouTube
staring
video.
daggers at each
Yeah.
other.
Oh, we have to do why we broke off YouTube video.
Yes.
Why we're not
Should we
together?
like have a fake fight about something?
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like
I don't think it'll have to be that fake. I think we could find something to fight over.
for you won't be fake, but for everyone else.
Yeah, you don't like me. I don't know why. It's because I said
this is
one
the fight. I'm
one
trying to
thing I
instigate.
said to her.
We're doing.
What'd you say?
It's
I
happening.
don't even remember.
It's
It was just one of those things where like it just came out and I didn't even think anyone was listening. Jessica was like,
Hey, Mark, you want some water?
"Yeah,
It's a watermark.
Oh
Perfect.
my god. I get it.
It's a watermark.
Get it?
Was that the
Wow.
actually this is tap water and that's not so good.
Thanks to this wonderful Airbnb, this is the best water I've ever had.
There's nothing in the cup."
Take a sip. Take it slow mo. Slow mo.
It's empty.
You did water.
Ask everybody if LA tap water is good.
It's not good.
Raise your hands.
I heard it's not good for you.
Yes.
That's not good. Yeah.
No, I mean, like,
oh,
I'm
it's
talking
good,
about
but
the
it's just
taste.
not good
I'm
for
talking-
you.
If it's not like golden hour, I'm not going.
If it's not golden hour, you're not going outside.
No, it's too.
Why would we?
It's too bright otherwise.
There's people out there.
Is it really?
This is what photographers do. They just close.
Do they know Jessica's here?
Oh.
There's photographers outside?
I don't know. It's weird. I've never been out there.